Hello everyone. In today's video I'll be showing you a cool trick you can do in Python. And don't worry, you don't need to know the codes, only to memorize the codes that I will be writing. So for a small introduction is that Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. Its language constructs as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear logic code for small and large-scale projects. So that's a small introduction of what is Python. So now let's get started to not waste any more time. So if you don't have Python, you will have to download it. Just go to your browser, then type in download Python, then click enter. Click on the first link where you'll be seeing www.python.org downloads. Then you are going to download this version. Since I'm using Windows, then it's for the Windows I will download. So but that's not all of it. You have to download Python, then you have to download another source editor, I can say, which will help us write programs for the Python, which is called PyCharm Community. So if you have it, then just click on it, then we get started. It should take a while to load, but this will depend on the like on this type of the computer that you are using, like its memory, RAM, and things like that. So once it has finished loading, you should wait for it to scan files to index, then it should also take a while. So once it has finished loading, then all you have to do is to go to the file, then you're going to create a new project, then just press here on create. Then you can use also a new window or the window that you're using now, or attach a new one. So let me just press on this window. So now it's preparing our workspace where we will write our codes. So as it has finished loading, so as I have said earlier, you don't need to know a lot about Python, just memorize the codes that I will be showing you. Let's first of all delete all of these ones. Now follow attentively the code that I'll be writing, then you show it to your friends. So basically this is the code you need. As you can see, it's not a lot. You can memorize it in some few minutes. 2 to 5 minutes should be enough. All you have to do is to press on the run button, then you should be able to see this. Sorry. Okay, the mistake has been corrected. So we run it again, then you should see this one. As you can see, it is a cool trick. You can also change from the color green. Let's put it in red, and let's slow the speed. Let's put it to 7. Then we run it and see. So as you can see on your screen, it is a very good program which you can show to your friends to amaze them that you know something little about Python programming. And also, if you want to continue learning more of these things, you can also search on the internet for more. But also keep watching my videos. I'll be posting more of it. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.